Guru Freelance Work Honest Review Watch before using. Most people get freelancing platforms wrong. They assume fees are high and clients are unreliable. The surprising truth about Guru is that it offers a versatile, secure platform for freelancers and clients, and you won't believe how much flexibility it provides for project management. Here's how it works. Guru connects freelancers with clients worldwide. Freelancers can showcase portfolios, submit quotes, and manage multiple contracts through the Workroom feature. Payments are secured with milestones and escrow options. For example, a graphic designer can apply for multiple projects, set delivery milestones, and get paid safely through Guru's system. Most people get this wrong. They assume online freelancing is risky, but Guru protects both parties and tracks project progress. Additional features include time tracking, invoice management, communication tools, and various membership tiers. Users praise its reliability, flexible payment methods, and comprehensive dashboard. However, there are considerations. Service fees apply, and competition for high-paying projects can be stiff. Most people assume it's a quick way to earn money. Success depends on quality work and active engagement. In conclusion, Guru is ideal for freelancers seeking a secure, professional platform to connect with clients, manage projects, and grow their freelance business. Subscribe for more honest reviews of freelance platforms and gig economy tools.